Okay, so next comes digital presence, website and social media. See, whenever you want to have an international trade or market, you should be used to digital presence, wherein in this website and social media helps you to promote your goods and services. So under that, website matters. A professional website builds trust and credibility with global buyers, providing a central hub for product information and brand storytelling. So second comes essential platforms. See here, focus on the things where platforms you target audience engages, such as LinkedIn, Instagram, and industry-specific network to maximize reach and engagement. So next comes brand story online. Use your website and social media for the purpose of storytelling. So channel to share compelling stories about your products, farming practices, and company values. So next comes selling online, D2C versus marketplaces. So D2C is nothing but what? Directed to customers. Here, with respect to directed to customers, use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce or WhatsApp Commerce to sell directly to consumers, building brand loyalty and controlling the customer experiences. So next comes marketplaces. Sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart or Alibaba to reach a wide audience and leverage established infrastructure but face higher competition and fees. So next comes that is digital marketing strategies for growth. If you want to have compete with the outer world, so you should have these kind of strategies such as SEOs and content marketing. So under that, optimize your website for search engine and create valuable content to attract organic traffic from Google and other search engines. So next comes social media ads. So here social media ads gives you lot many benefits to you people for making a marketing your goods and services. So under that, run targeted low budget social media ad campaigns to reach potential customers and drive traffic to your website or online stores. So next comes influencer marketing. So where in this you can influence the customers to purchase your goods and services. So under that, collaborate with influencers and build a community around your brand to increase awareness and engagement. This is how you can go for international trade, or you can have a market for your goods and services with the help of digital markets. So next comes leveraging AI for the things. So under that, branding and marketing. So we will have a discussion with respect to this one, that is Canva AI. Use Canva AI for creating visually appealing designs for your website, social media and marketing materials. So next comes ChatGPT. So here I think everyone knows regarding this ChatGPT how much this is important for nowadays. So ChatGPT, it inputs, you can have a interaction with respect to these ChatGPTs. So next comes roadmap, step-by-step guide for entrepreneurs. So these are some guidelines where being an entrepreneur you can have these roadmap. So under that, first one, common branding and marketing mistakes to the things. So to avoid these things, seek inconsistent branding. Ensure your brand message inconsistent across all platforms to avoid confusing customers. So second one, poorly designed logos. Invest in a professional logo that reflects your brand values and appeals to your targeted audience. So next comes lack of digital presence. Next comes branding essentials, building trust and recognition. So under that, core branding elements. A memorable logo, compelling tagline, consistent color palette and readable font are crucial for brand recognition. Brand storytelling, under that, communicate your product's origin, quality and authenticity through engaging stories that resonate with global buyers. So next comes export ready brand. So under that, ensure your branding is adaptable and appealing to international markets, considering cultural nuances and language. So next comes packaging and labeling for global buyers. So under that first one, export friendly packaging. Packaging must protect the products during shipping and comply with international regulations for labeling and materials. Next comes impact of design. Effective design communicates product's value, attracts attention, and differentiates your brand. Impact of design. Effective design communicates product value, attracts attention, and differentiates your brand on global shelves. So next comes packaging strategies. Consider sustainable materials, multilingual label, and innovative design to appeal to diverse global markets. So these are the packaging and
sales strategies for your startups. So on this particular occasion, I thank Mr. Ajay Dhananjay sir, Arjun Dhananjay sir, for accepting our invitation and being the part of this workshop through the online mode. And I also thank all the participants who have spent their time and got the insights into these things. Hope so that we will make this particular thing as a good success in the future. And also thank once again the resource person Arjun Dhananjaya on behalf of Basant Engineering College and Institution Innovation Council 7.0 and on behalf of all the participants. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again.